All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol KODK. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say hi and welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow, to all the first time viewers. And thank you to all my subscribers for your support. Always hitting the like button and let me know you watched this video, and sharing this with your friends, and commenting down below, helping one another when others have questions and so forth, right? I always encourage that. I appreciate the feedback from you all, and just seeing you guys engage in conversations, and when it's valuable and valid, that means a lot. That means a lot to me, and I hope it means a lot to you guys amongst each other, especially when somebody takes the time to speak to you and help you out with any questions. Another thing too, if you learn something new, don't feel discouraged. Be encouraged to hit that like button for me, to let me know that you found it helpful and informative. And that's another way you can help, by getting this video to other people. And the reason why it gets to other people is because you guys, by hitting the like button, you're supporting me, saying thank you to me. That's the best way to say thank you to me here on YouTube. Literally, it's a click of a button. You don't even have to write a comment on how grateful you are. And I appreciate that. That speaks volumes about you guys, and it encourages me to continue doing what I'm doing. But hitting the like button is a real thank you to me, because it raises the algorithms of my videos, and it exposes my videos to newer viewers, and gives this insight to other YouTubers up in their suggestions and so forth. So if you guys really want to support me, other than just, watching and sharing and commenting down below, and have hit that subscribe button so you guys can watch my videos, and even clicking the bell to get notified, don't forget to hit the like button. I really, really will appreciate that. And not only because you're getting my video out there, but because that's the easiest way to say thank you, sharing it, and YouTube takes care of the rest, and it reaches people. And what I really want is more people to be informed and ready for the next trading day. So let's jump into this chart. This chart had a very bullish run, and then the bearish run has started to appear. Unfortunately, if I'm going to break the news to you guys, when a stock does this big, big skyrocket, right, there will be this and this with this. So there will be a staircase going in a downward direction. Now, could the bulls reappear and return this one to newer highs, or maintaining itself to continue to work its way, up? Or will the bulls bring it back up and the bears continue to do this staircase? Unfortunately, the truth is this happens when this happens, right? The stock is going to correct itself to the value of what the market believes it's worth, and who determines what stocks are worth and what they sell for and what they buy for. Well, without including that the feds have been pumping the stocks and stuff and so forth, and the earnings of stocks, and including all that other stuff, we, the people, we, the investors, are the ones that decide what the value of a stock is, by either us holding or investing into it, or us pulling out. And the unfortunate thing is that this jump encourages people at some point, once they feel comfortable enough that they made their profit, whatever their goal was, and if they didn't reach it or actually get out at that point, they're going to get out at some point. So anybody that was in from here, right, or even here, got out here. Anybody that came in here and saw this here got out in between all of that, or they held and they got out like around here. So they're still above when they bought, but this was already going in a downward trend. Anybody that got in here and here at these high points most likely got out somewhere around here, or they held and got out here, or they held and got out around here, or they're getting out around here, right? And I apologize for all the around here, the here, the here, the there. But what I'm trying to get to the point of is that this sell-off was coming due to the fact of how much this jumped. Now, does this stock have potential? Well, if you do your own due diligence and your research, check it out for yourself and see what you feel about the company. But this big jump is going to allow this stock to level off if it was not a complete pump and dump, because this is a legit company that's been around for many years. It could level off anywhere between where it's before it skyrocketed, right? 12, $13 to where it closed yesterday. It could level off anywhere around there. And if somebody sees potential in the stock, anybody can buy in at that point. And we already saw how high it reached, that it could grow over time. I'm not sure if it's going to be able to grow this quickly again, right, within days, but do your own due diligence and do your research. And let's jump into this chart so you guys can see how important these little things are right now. So the first thing is this closed out 50 cents above the 50-day moving average, which it closed out at $31. The 50-day moving average is 30.59. As long as this stays above it, bulls are in control and have a shot here, but just 50 cents doesn't cut it. So tomorrow in the morning, this is going to be a very, very interesting tug of war between the bears and the bulls. On the other hand, we have the resistance level. And this is the main resistance level before the bulls can actually say, okay, we crossed the 50-day moving average, and now we're working our way further away from it, and now we have a shot for a bullish rally. And that's 32.54. If that can be broken through and used as support, the bulls can continue a bullish rally and break through new resistance levels. And just to give you guys some insight, 44.48 is going to be vital for the bulls to even have a long-term or higher bullish run to reach highs again of where it was before, right? So I'd write that down. And then down here, 32.54 will just let us know, based off the chart, that the bulls are turning this around, moving further away from the 50-day moving average and using it as support and work their way up. Now, if the bears start to gain control and break this through the 50-day moving average, bringing it below it, and they break through support of $27.50, which is the lowest point this stock reached throughout the whole day, and literally is the lowest point, pretty close to the lowest point that this stock reached after that really $60, almost $60, like $59 and some change high. It could show that this is really, really breaking through support levels that maintain this stock from falling any harder. Um, that was about 26.80 the last time, and that's where the bullish run turned this around, and they used it as support, and then they've been holding off since then. But this was the point where it reached 26.80, and it was almost about to just have a big turnaround, but it brought itself back up. Then the sell-off brought itself back up, and now the heavy sell-off, and now we're here. So 27.50 is vital as well, on the other hand of things, breaking through supports. So if this gets broken through, the bears could be pulling this away from the 50-day moving average, bringing it to newer lows, and on one big, big opportunity of the bulls seeing the price and feeling that it's attractive to come back in, the bulls can turn that around as well from these prices. So that's something to keep an eye on. But if this was to fall below that 26.80 mark like previously, where it turned around from, and it goes to newer lows way before that, you know, 26, 25, 24, I definitely keep an eye on it, because now that's just falling to bearish territory. And the bears are just maintaining control. Could the bulls appear? Sure. But if the bears bring it down to these lows, that is something to be mindful of. And again, do your own due diligence. We're going to have to pay close attention to how this one reacts. And thank you guys for watching. If you learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And don't forget to share this with your friends and community. And the easiest way to do that is clicking the like button, let me know you watched it, and making those algorithms rise up so more people can be exposed and suggested this video. Thank you again, always, to all viewers and subscribers. Hope you guys found it informative, and let's make some money.